the wheel. Well, it just began as fun because I'm a giant kid at heart, and I try to walk on these as a kid, and I'm a 44-year-old kid, you know, and here we go. So I use it to walk on and teach balance, and that's what we're going to do right now. 1, 2, stick a leg on there, it takes you right up. All right, so you can either, I think it's easier if you're walking towards the person, because then you're just naturally, it's like an escalator, it's doing those weird things. Okay, but if I want to stop, I'll walk a little more forward, and I can come back uphill by using my body. So now we're doing more than just balance, we're doing strength training, overcoming your fear of falling off of things. I think you're doing a lot of things, I'm not exactly sure. But it's awfully fun at the same time, so why not do that? I mean, beats the gym.